Although I got quite a bit of dirt in some of these parts, they did turn out really nice, and it probably wouldn't have taken me nothing to remove the dirt nibs. However, I thought I could have done better on some parts in particular, like the hood cowl or the hood scoop, uh, the chin spoiler. The rear spoiler was really nice, but I thought I could do a little bit better on that as well, and the valance and all the rest of the parts. So, with the exception of the bumpers, what else? A few more parts. I just decided to redo everything and make it to my liking and be satisfied with the work. Just giving it my all. That's the goal for me, to give it my all. And now that I'm finding my groove in doing this, I'm becoming really good really quickly. You know, I put a lot of work into uh, learning this craft and learning the ins and outs on painting a vehicle, and all the hours I've put in studying, and I'm becoming fairly good fairly quickly. So let's jump into the video and start getting these parts back sanded down. So I wasn't gonna do this because this is so nice, but it's part of the car. So those are ready. Doing those again. That's ready. This is ready. Got a little bit more to go here. Pretty much done. This is ready. All the trim is ready. Gotta get these ready. That stuff down there is ready. Gotta clean the breathe off real good. That'll be ready. This is that aftermarket ground effect kit. Got some dust on it, but these are beautiful. Nice. So yeah, I'm not gonna do those. And this is ready though. The hood scoop. That's ready. Another piece of trim. I'm finishing this up now.